It's January 1st, 2022. Happy New Year. First video of the new year. And the last video of the 2021 Christmas holiday lights. Today is the last night that the lights will be on. And now it'll be time to start taking it down. Of course, we got traffic coming down here now, making noise. It's always funny. People don't realize this is a dead-end street, and they come all the way down to the bottom to turn around. So on this tree, we have a mix of LED C7s. They're in the colors of red, amber, and flashing white. And a little bit of blue in there too. And then we got regular M5 LED strings. There's a couple of strings on them on this particular tree. And then usually when I decorate this thing, it's one wrap of Steady and a wrap of Twinkle. And of course, Mother Nature, she says, I'll have my hand at it too. So she usually buries some of the lights really deep in the tree. But at least nothing got damaged in the high winds that we had this year. We had a couple of 3 or 4 windstorms where wind would pick up 40, 50 miles an hour. Really slap this stuff around. But it's all commercial lights, so it's meant to be abused a little bit. And we got the C9s on the ground. Nice little ring. Got the trippy drippies on there too. Then we got the combination of icicle lights and my first generation of the Big Clive awesome trippy drippies. So them ones there are all the ones that are enameled wire and soldered with 10mm LEDs with the little flashy on the end. And they've been out here for a couple of seasons now. They held up pretty good. Of course, I got to get my act together and get my own PCB ones working. I need about 75 to 90 just to cover the big tree. And then we got the Christmas in July rebuild on the Snowflake. This is the 180-degree LED neon rope light. The original was blue and white. So I decided to go with that super awesome ice white and amber. Then we got the star of the show with its crooked ball that Mother Nature slapped that around like a red-headed stepchild. Got the Balsam Hill 12-foot Oakville out here with its incandescent lights mixed with LEDs. And in between each RGB tape is a wrap of the Slow Twinkle. That I had a video on earlier. Same thing with this little tree. It's got steady M5, it's got the Slow Twinkle, and it's got the strobes. And the ball on top is still a work in progress. To keep him straight, I'll figure out a method someday. So right now it's a good example of the Christmas story tree with the crooked star that's in the old man's eyes straight as a bell. Got the C9 ground lights too on this one. So there's the final look at my lights. A couple more hours, I'll be throwing the big switch on the eTech Cities mobile phone app to shut off the schedule. And that'll be it for this lighting season. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.